Hey Liz, so in today's video I am here to share with you guys how I style and install easily, super beginner friendly, my 4x4 sleek straight closure wig. This wig is super affordable and it's another gem from Amazon. Okay, I have been getting lucky at getting these gems from Amazon. Okay, so yeah, this is really nice, high quality hair. It's very beautiful, has minimal shedding and tangling. But anyways, if you guys aren't interested in seeing how I achieve this, then definitely keep on watching.
Hey, his body, baby, oh Lord of his mercy. Hey, I say, I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder me. You a murder me. She says she want murder. I'm the guy you never heard of. So back it up and put it on a brother. Baby girl, I know you want murder. Your face, your eyes, looking very nice. The way you whine, I want you to be mine. So make you turn it up and put it on me. Girl, make you follow me and be my only. So make you go down, girl. Oh Lord, make you slow down, girl. Oh Lord, so make you go down, girl. Hey, make you slow down, girl. Oh Lord of his mercy. Hey. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder me. You a murder me. So make you give them, girl. So make you show them that you got it. The way that you wind that booty on me, you make me wanna sign that booty for me. I'll do you anywhere when you turn me on.
Okay, Liz, so thank you so much for watching this video. I do hope that you guys did enjoy this video and find it very helpful and easy to follow. If you did, then please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. I would love to know how you feel. Would you try anything in this video? Just let me know. And be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And also hit that notification bell. I do upload quite often, so you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.